Hello, my name is Maria Micha, and I'm a psychotherapist, hypnotherapist, and a corporate trainer. My approach to psychotherapy is intuitive, which means that I'm helping the people I work with find their own wisdom, find their intuition, and connect with their own internal wisdom when they're dealing with the life and the troubles that come along with it. Today, I would like to talk about codependency. Codependency is a state of being and behaving and feeling where I prioritize other people's emotions and desires more than I prioritize mine. People who are codependent are usually in relationships with people who have narcissistic tendencies or a fully blown narcissistic personality disorder, or they're borderline personality disorder. They could be addicted to substances, to anger, to food, to obsessive behavior. But codependents tend to find people who cannot show them love. And because they cannot show them love, they're so connected with the people that they love that they love them too much. They love them enough for themselves and for the other person. But that would mean that the codependent individual is providing all the emotions and all the work that is necessary in a two-way relationship, which means that they're having a relationship and they're maintaining a relationship almost by themselves. The relationships that they find themselves in are not two-way relationships, they're one-way. They're driven by feelings of guilt and fear for the loss of the relationship, which always drives them to give more and to feel less. They know very well that if they don't go the extra mile, the partner or the child or the parent will just not be with them, will end the relationship. If you find yourself in a codependent relationship, most likely the person you love doesn't have the same ability to love you back, not in an equal manner. The person you are in a relationship with loves himself or herself more than they can love you or anyone else. If it's a relationship that you cannot break free from, if it's a child or a parent, then try to put boundaries and make sure that your boundaries are self-loving, that you have enough love for you, and that you explicitly tell the person that they're allowed to do certain things, but not others. Stand your ground and do it from a place of self-respect and self-care. Narcissists and people with borderline traits, they respond very well to boundaries because they want what you have to give them. They're more likely to be in a better relationship with you and behave in a more caring way if you have strong and very clear boundaries, especially if they realize that you're not going to back down. But can the boundaries teach them how to love you? It's unlikely. Narcissists and people with borderline personality disorder will have to be in therapy for many, many years. They will have to find a therapist who specializes in personality disorders. So if it is an intimate relationship or a friendship, and you realize that you're having codependent tendencies, try to break free from them because you're choosing you, you're choosing your happiness, and you're choosing to love someone who can love you back.